Well, this is Guns, Knives, and Tools, and we're out here at the storage container. And everybody's probably familiar if you go to Sam's or Costco. This is from Sam's, which is the Members Mark Heavy Duty Industrial Shelving 4-shelf storage rack. You have a picture of it right there. Hey, Maui. Now, 10,000 pound capacity, 2,500 per this, that, or the other. NSF certified, which is the National Science Foundation. You can use it for food. You just have to put that bottom shelf where it's more than 6 inches off the ground. Now, if you buy one of these, you can put it up the way it's shown. If you buy two of them, you have options. They're on sale right now at Sam's. Now, what I have done is I have put two of them together and made basically three basic shelves because I didn't need 4 shelves per unit. I wanted the storage space at the bottom because this isn't for food. Those are nails, some grass seed, bleach tablets for a pool. Now, how I did this was, of course, 1, 2, 3 shelves, and then that space for the 5-gallon buckets underneath it, right here. Now, all of these risers are set up to where they can take shelves on both sides. So, 3 shelves per common riser, 3 shelves again, and then the last one only has 2 shelves on it because I'm using that to store, of course, an old air compressor and then some chairs under it. And just giving you some idea of this, there, or the other. So anyway, that's how you can take 2 of these and create a lot of just bulk storage for whatever you're doing. But for $400, I have got basically 3 widths and then able to still use the floor. So all it did was basically add storage. It didn't take any away. I'm still got the stuff sitting on the floor. They're going to sit under it, and then all of the additional storage space is just bonus. Anyway, this is Bikes, Knives, and Tools, and this is the Heavy Duty Industrial Shelving from Members Mark. As I said, I found these on sale. They were $200, which was the original price. So now you can get them without the markups. Anyway, Bikes, Knives, and Tools. Have a good one.